Number 22 it is. Pakistan up against Afghanistan.
Toss.
Batting first.
These two teams, Pakistan want to get back to winning ways. They've lost.
They got to find their mojo and start winning games. And
No lot of spinners, 4 spinners who are each just a touch different.
Maybe they can change their fortunes around.
they're not really fast. I don't think even in the dressing this and even game before against India. So Pakistan, Naveen ul Haq, a very good bowler.
And dead to finish off the innings. It's
Just float.
Rodney Tucker, experience umpire, they're still going out with their.
a look at the Afghanistan side, and for Pakistan, Mujibur Rahman.
On his pads and put away.